In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and send an email campaign on Mailchimp step by step, so you can go from a blank account to a fully prepared campaign ready to send. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing an update, or sending a newsletter, Mailchimp makes it possible to build professional email campaigns without needing advanced design skills. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is sign into Mailchimp. Open your web browser and go to Mailchimp, then log in with the email address and password associated with your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your email marketing tools are available. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is the section where you can create, edit, and manage all of your email campaigns in one place. So this is where everything begins. Next, we're going to create a brand new campaign. In the top right corner, click Create, and a list of campaign options will appear. Since we want to send a standard email blast, choose Email, and then select Regular Email. This option is the best choice for most newsletters, announcements, promotions, and general marketing emails. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to name your campaign. This is just an internal name for your own organization, so your subscribers will never see it. Type in a clear name that helps you recognize the campaign later, especially if you plan to create multiple emails. Once the name is entered, click Begin to move forward. Now it's time to choose an email template. A template selection window will appear with several ways to start your design. You may see options like Save Templates, Featured Layouts, Basic Layouts, Start from Scratch, Code Your Own HTML, and Recent Templates. If you want a simple and flexible starting point, select Basic Layouts. Then browse through the available designs and click Apply on the template you want to use. Picking the right layout can save you a lot of time because it gives you a structure that already matches the kind of email you want to send. Once your template opens, you can begin designing the email content. This is where you can customize your campaign with text, images, buttons, branding, and whatever else your message needs. Make sure your email is clear, visually organized, and focused on one main goal. It's a good idea to keep the design simple, especially if you want readers to quickly understand your message and take action. After you finish designing your email, don't forget to save your work. In the top right corner, click Save and Exit. Mailchimp will take you back to the campaign overview page, where you can review the full setup before sending. This next part is very important because it ensures your email is complete and ready to go out properly. On the campaign summary page, carefully review every section. Start with To, and select the correct audience or segment you want to send the email to. Then check From, and make sure the sender name and email address are correct, because this is what recipients will see in their inbox. Next, fill in the subject line. This is one of the most important parts of your campaign because it helps determine whether people open the email or ignore it. After that, add your preview text, which appears in many inboxes alongside the subject line and can help improve open rates. Then review content and make sure your email design looks exactly the way you want it to. Be sure to check for any missing details, alerts, or warning messages before moving on. It's always worth taking a moment here because a quick review can help you avoid mistakes before your campaign reaches your audience. Once everything looks good and all sections are complete, you're ready for the final step. Click Send, and Mailchimp will deliver your campaign to the audience you selected. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and send an email campaign on Mailchimp from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.